Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video I'll show you how to get free Robux in Roblox. So if you've seen websites claiming they can generate unlimited free Robux, then here's what you should know. There is no legitimate Robux generator or secret hack that gives you unlimited Robux for free. Robux can be obtained through official Roblox methods such as purchasing Robux or earning Robux through the eligible creator activities. If you create experiences or other eligible contents, then Roblox provides official ways for creators to earn Robux based on its current programs and requirements. You should also watch out for websites asking you for your Roblox username and password in exchange for free Robux. And never enter your login details into unofficial Robux generator. So there isn't a secret Robux generator, but there are legitimate ways to obtain Robux through Roblox. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.